So guys, it's honestly I don't even know what day it is. I just know it's Friday. And yesterday was pretty lazy for me. I was just lying down watching Netflix and playing games. That's all I did, and I think I really deserved it. So today I am planning to clean up the mess of my makeup and skincare products. जो भी packages आते हैं वो ऐसे ही बाहर पड़े रहते हैं, मैं try out भी नहीं करती हूँ, and I just keep using the uh, everyday thing, and I think I need to change things and try out new things also. So if everything is arranged properly, I think I'll be able to use them regularly and also kind of like give you reviews if it's good or not and all that. So I have like this, there's also mess above, which is again of all the things that I received, some plastic boxes, the things that I have, just random stuff. Okay, the box in my last vlog that you saw and all that. So I have this first one. This was supposed to be my makeup drawer. Now I'll show you what's all the kachra in here. Everything is so disorganized. I do have boxes like this, which I was originally planning on keeping my makeup products. And yeah, it's just a mess. I have all my palettes also here, some lipsticks and all that. But it's all a mess. So I want to arrange all that and see how well I can arrange it. Also, I don't know if I have shown you this, but a lot of my everyday makeup and jewelry and everything is here. And like you can see, that's also a mess, although it's in boxes and like separately, but it's a mess. So I'll try to arrange that also today. So we'll see how this goes. And hope this just kind of inspires you to clean your room. Please do, guys. An organized life is so much better and stress-free. So let's get started with the cleaning. First things first, I'm just trying to put on a podcast, and mostly I listen to Pretty Things by Pretty Basics, sorry.
Ramble. Okay, this is something I swear not a lot of people talk about.
Also, like, I have a box full. I have already given a lot of it to my friends, but I still have some left makeup sponges. This actually I got from Miniso, and then some blending sponges. There are just 4 of it now. The rest I have given to my friends. So this box I know for sure is for the blending sponges, so I'm just gonna keep this aside because there's no need to like arrange it. Next box I have is also kind of arranged. I just have to include the rest of it. This is like my nail paint stash. It's an empty box that I kept to keep, like, I use all the PR boxes, like you can see, to store my stuff because they are pretty very thick actually, but this one doesn't look that thick, like you can see, so I'm gonna throw it away. Look at the mess I've created right here. There's so much stuff. I don't know where to store what and what will be easier to store where. It's so confusing. Oh my god, I have never been in so much stress. I totally forgot about these. These were sent by Benefit. Eyeshadow palettes and some lipsticks. It was lying in this box all this while, and I didn't even use this for a year, more than a year actually. I don't even remember when they sent it to me. I'll have to now use them up real quick before they go bad. All these lipsticks that I have since like years. This one was one of my favorite. It's the dark one. Wait, I'll just swatch it for you. I think it must be discontinued by now. Is there any video that I can see for what to do with expired lipsticks? Oh my god, look at that shade. It's like metallic lipstick. This is so good, and I think I can actually use this, but I'll have to throw it away. I'm gonna throw most of it away. I'll just keep it in this box for now and then I'll do it later on. So my camera's battery went dead after that, and basically I arranged, and I'm super proud of how I arranged and everything. So I'll just walk you guys through my makeup collection. Now I just would like to give a disclaimer here. Firstly, I no, I have enough makeup for a normal girl, but then I'm also a YouTuber and I have to try stuff out, and brands also send me stuff. So I do have a little bit more than usual, but it's still less compared to other YouTubers out there. And I mostly give away to my friends and family members. So please just don't mind that. And we also have a box here. I need to arrange my plastic flowers and all that inside that. So it's there. We'll do that later on, but first let's go through the makeup. So it's still not arranged. I'm still trying to clean and all that. Since my camera battery is back at it again, I just thought I'll like go through it. So here, wait for it. Oh shit. Okay, never mind, but I'll arrange it later on. So ये flower basically आ गया ना चाहिए था. So here I just made this everyday basket thing with things that I use on an everyday basis. With my makeup pouch, this has everything that I use on an everyday basis. Also, I couldn't find a scissor, so as soon as I find a scissor, I'll cut this out. And then inside we have this perfume bottle that I use on an everyday basis, my lip mask from Laneige, my body butter, which is getting over soon, hair leave-in conditioner. I absolutely recommend this. Talcum powder, which my mom uses, not me. Then I have my everyday moisturizer, sunscreen, setting spray. For some reason, I forgot to put it in there, so I just kept it for now. It's here. Some cotton pads, and then 2 perfume bottles, which I can use on an everyday basis. So basically, that's there. Makeup brushes, yeah, I still need to clean them. That's why I just kept it here, because I'll wash them and then keep it inside. We also have this makeup remover towel. I don't know where to keep it. Now let's go ahead and open this. Yes, finally. So everything is mostly arranged. I have all my highlighters, blushes and all that here. I have loose powders also here. There's a brow thing here, my compact powder. There are blushes here. हाँ, कचरा अभी तक ऐसे ही पड़ा है. I am throwing away all this. Let's open this. I'm throwing away all this lipsticks and powders and all that. और काफी कुछ उसमें भी है. So this is a highlighter, actually a eyeshadow that I got from Miss Claire, and it's broken now. The top is gone. So I just use it when I'm like filming or something. So I just keep it above, so it doesn't like spread. Although थोड़ा बहुत तो होगा but इतना नहीं होता है वो, so that's a good thing. Then I also have body shimmer and a concealer. What is a concealer doing here? Okay, so never mind. Okay, and here I have all the eyeshadows from Benefit, and there are 8 of them. This is a blush and this is a highlighter. So since they are in the tube, they are there. Then we have all the eyeshadow and a compact powder. I need to keep the compact powder here maybe. Huh. So all the eyeshadows are here. I just have one single eyeshadow from Miss Claire and I haven't used it yet. I need to. Then we have the NYX, faces. NYX. This is the Makeup Revolution one. Then we have this face palette. I love this one. Then Neshoka. I think I need to keep this inside first. Then I also have one from NYX, Nykaa. There's more from NYX and NYX again. Then I have some tissue papers, razors, waxing kit, wet wipes here. Then we have some lipsticks which I don't actually use and I don't know where to keep them, and it's just like new. And there's also Benefit ka lipstick inside, so that's there. Then we have all the eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascaras and all that here. And I know it will be a hard time to find something from here, but I still think it's better than keeping everything separately. So inside there's also like 3 boxes inside. So there are illuminators and concealers and a Fit Me powder which I don't use on an everyday basis, so that's there. So in this basket there are like essential oils and hand creams. I don't use that on an everyday basis. As soon as I remove my eyeshadow palette, here we have foundations and setting spray. In this box we have the NYX Wonder Stick and all. Some foundation which are not really in my shade, so I'll just give it to someone, and that's pretty much it. I just arranged this back in. So that is an overview of my makeup drawer. So like I also had this thing, so this is also much organized now. Let's get everything out. So in this I have my jewelry, which again I'll arrange soon. In this I have all the lipsticks. In this also I have lipsticks, and in this box I have all the things that I can give away to someone. Maybe I'll do a giveaway on my Instagram soon, so stay tuned for that. And then we have this blender just lying there and some cotton pads, beauty light, a pouch, beauty light again, ring light, sorry, my bad. In the blue box I have all my hair ties, hair accessories and everything. And in this one I have all the skincare which I don't use on an everyday basis. Boxes back there also have accessories, jewelry and all, and cotton pads again. Cotton pads here also. And then this is the blending box that I showed you, so they are stackable, that's why it's easier to store. And all my lipstick boxes will go up here. So that's there. Also these 2 boxes will also go in this box I have. Are you ready for it? So we have 2 newborn baby mirrors, a baby mirror, toddler mirror, mama mirror, papa mirror, grandpa mirror, grandma mirror. Every mirror is here. So this is like my mirror box. And this box, oh my god, it's huge and perfect because I have a lot of nail paints, so I need to arrange this still, and I'll do that right now. And then we still have some boxes and dupattas and all that here, which I'll throw away soon. By the way, OG Dhwani cons will know what this is or which video is this from. Let's go ahead and arrange this now. it's finally done, and it's so satisfying right now to watch this. Just and I kept these slantways because the box wouldn't close then, so now it's closing. So that's why it's just like that. But I still can see. I can see all the shades. So if I just want to pick like golden one, I'll use this. Pink one, bright pink one, I'll use this. So I'm so satisfied with this. And also there's like some Maybelline ones which I don't use on a regular basis, and they are like pretty old, but they are still working fine. And yeah, it's dirty, but it's fine. Also this unicorn ones have this pointy ends, so it wouldn't fit, but now it does. I just kept it slanted and I don't see a problem there. And then I also kept some nail art jewelry or gems and all. There's also glitter. uh, I got all this long back and I still haven't used them. I think it's high time I start using them and just be all fancy like that. And then there's also this nail filer, and that's pretty much it. We also have the nail paint remover here from Miniso. Thank god it's tiny so it fits. And yeah, that's it. I think by the end of this lockdown, I'll have my life back together. So I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and also it inspired you in some way to like clean your room, clean your junk, and like declutter, because I know you have a lot of things that you don't use. You haven't even touched them since years, so please just throw it away or donate it. And even if like 5% of you get inspired and start cleaning, I'll be very happy. So do send me snaps. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, stay positive, don't step out of the house, and wash your hands. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.